Dear class 11 students, today we will start first chapter of your commerce, classification of human activities. So today we will be learning about human activities. Now what are human activities? Now every day we do several works. Suppose we wake up in the morning, we brush our teeth, we have our breakfast and we go to school. So this is one kind of human activity. Now human activities are divided into two types, economic activities and non-economic activities. Now what are economic activities? Economic activities are those which are undertaken to earn living and to satisfy human wants. Suppose a teacher teaches in school and he earns for his living. So this is one kind of economic activities, like doctor, electrician. These all comes under economic activities. Now what are non-economic activities? These are those activities which help to satisfy social, religious, cultural and sentimental requirements. Here the money is not involved, means here these are not done to earn their livings. These are done to satisfy social, religious, cultural and sentimental requirements, like we go to temple. So this is one kind of non-economic activity. Okay, so these were the classification of this was the concept of human activity and classification of human activity, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. Types of economic activity. The first one is business. Now what is business? Business is the activity where buying and selling take place with the objective of earning profit. Now suppose you have a shop. So what you do, a shopkeeper buys goods from wholesaler, and from wholesaler, suppose he bought good in rupees 10, so he is selling that good to customer at rupees 12. So what is the extra price he is getting from by selling that commodity, that is rupees 2. So rupees 2 is his profit. So business is the activity which involves buying and selling of goods and service with the objective of earning profit. So this is business. So and also business is concerned with production and exchange of goods and service. And the next one is profession. Now profession includes occupation which involves application of specialized knowledge and skills, like doctor has a specialized knowledge and skill of doing treatment of patients. Lawyer has a special knowledge and skill of cases related to tax, or it can be related to criminal affairs. So doctor and lawyer comes under profession. Next one is employment. Employment means working for others in exchange of some remuneration, like accountant working in a company. So he is employed in a company, so he works in a company for exchange of some remuneration, salary. So these were the classification of types of economic activity, like first one was business, profession and employment. So here we end the chapter. So go through the notes carefully.